Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. My name is Jeff. For today's video, meron tayong masarap na ulam para sa ating breakfast. Meron tayong sinigang na beef with maraming gulay. Meron pa tayong smoothie, watermelon smoothie. Nilagyan natin ito ng tamar or dates para matamis ng konti. And meron pa tayong onion tea para sa ating hot drink. And meron pa itong turmeric powder and fresh mint leaf. Hugasan natin ng mahiging ating beef, cut into medium size. Meron tayong laman ng ating beef. Mag-slice tayo ng maraming sibuyas, kamatis, loya, kaunting bawang. Meron pa rin tayong tanglad, 5 prasong cloves, salt and pepper to taste, at pamintang buo. Magpapakulo lang tayo ng water para sa ating kakawing sapaw. I-add natin ang ating nalugasan ng beef. I-add natin ang ating mga na-prepare na mga ingredients. And meron pa tayong potato, ang carrots, at sa gulay meron tayong sitaw at eggplant. So yummy, watermelon smoothie para sa ating cold drinks. Meron pa itong assorted nuts. So yung ating slice of watermelon. Nagad pa tayo ng ating oats. Good for the heart. Powdered milk para mas masarap talaga ito guys. So yung ating dates para medyo matamis ito at matamis na rin ang ating watermelon. Meron pa tayong assorted nuts, cashew nuts, pistachio nuts, and almond. Mineral water, blended well. Napakasarap talaga ito guys. At meron na tayong so healthy watermelon smoothie with assorted nuts. Gagawa tayo ng ating hot drinks. Meron tayong onion tea, slice of onion, konting bawang, loya, at yung ating tea seed, pamintang buo, ground pepper, at papakulo lang natin ito guys. Nagad pa tayo ng ating turmeric powder, and meron pa itong fresh mint leaf. So healthy talaga guys ang ating onion tea. Food is ready for masarap na breakfast. Napakayami nito. Para sa ating main dish, yung ating sinigang na beef with maraming gulay. Meron pa itong carrots and potato. Napakalambot talaga dito guys. And marami tayong makakain nito. Cold drinks, yung ating watermelon smoothie with assorted nuts. Hot drinks, onion tea with turmeric powder and fresh mint leaf. And please guys, don't forget to follow, like, comment, and share. You can also subscribe too. Let's enjoy the food. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye bye. Ingat po.